Hello at welcome back sa Banbury. Tyndale Farm Hotel, ito daw ang pinaka-trending na kainan sa buong Banbury. Nung nasa South Australia kami, I used to work in a place like this. Pero ito, mas bonggang edition. Kwento ko nga palang saglit, when we moved to Australia, wala akong local experience. Kaya naman, yung first job na inoffer sa akin, I said yes straight away. Like a lot of Filipino migrants, kitchen hand ang unang naging work ko dito. So, naranasan ko din yung naghuhugas ng plato, nagmamap ng floor, and that's okay. You know, the most important thing that I've learned here is that you have to be humble. All jobs pay well here. Kaya basta masipag ka lang, ma-enjoy mo yung na-enjoy din ng mga tao na magaganda yung trabaho as for Filipino standards. Balik naman tayo sa kwento natin itong gabing to. Masarap yung food nila dito sa Tyndale Hotel, pero kwento nga ni Tita Denden, hindi naman laging ganito kabilis ang service, so we were lucky na nakakain kami agad.
How's your seafood diet, Kuya?
When you see food, you eat. Kaya tawang-tawa naman talaga sila dun sa joke na yun kasi wala munang diet, mga friends. Oh guys, uwian na!
When I seafood, I eat. Seafood